Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. Let's understand trigger in SQL. So question is, what is a trigger in SQL? A trigger is a set of instructions that automatically executes in response to certain events on a table. Something like create a trigger update underscore log after update on employees. For each row, insert into audit underscore log and the column name, the values is there. So what it will do actually, here the created trigger is after update. So whenever employees data updated, it will store that log into the audit log table with the respective columns. Executes on insert, update and delete, helps in auditing and validation mainly. So automate with triggers, then please subscribe, like and comment in my YouTube channel Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.